KDT1 is equipped with the top version WG8C5 per cutting machine. Using a patented cutting system, the knife is equipped with 8 vertical knives and 1 horizontal knife, all use independent servo. New upgrade to 12 stacks. Double stacks can double roll cut carton, meet more diversified needs of customers. Here is a working demonstration. First, go to our work main screen. The home page shows the basic status of equipment and silo. Select a left beam or right beam before cutting. Enter the carton size to cut the carton. It can be used alone or with measuring stations or WG8C5 scale. Good products need good packaging. KDT1 equipment, automatic packaging. Production line equipment constantly being upgraded. Live up to expectations with quality. Build the future with ingenuity.